Hello, how are you doing? So today we are going to be looking at something new that I happened to land on that you never knew. So this is the media kit. So if at all someone is out there that wants to maybe market with you, okay, can maybe you have your channel as you see here. Let me show you something here. Looking at these analytics, you can now see the ages that are basically watching, the geography of my channel that are basically also watching. So if someone basically wants to market with me, I think this person is ready to tell where should I go and market with this person. As you see, I have movie lovers, I have charitable donors, and volunteers are a little bit high than movie lovers. Olympic fans are high, luxury shoppers are high, and shopping enthusiasts are also high. Then if we try to go down to the shopping interests, this chart shows what your channel's audience shops for compared to viewers across YouTube, and how much of this audience shops for this category. So when it comes to finance planning, they are very high. When it comes to estate planning, they are also very high. And batteries, they are very high. High hair care products, they are very high. And outdoor recreation equipment, they are also very high. So that is the audience basically I'm having right now that are watching my channel. So with this kit, media kit, at least I can convince someone or a certain company to work with me. Okay, so when I cross over to here, how did I get there? You just come here to earn, then brand connect. Okay, so when I press brand connect, then I come here to this, okay, view media. So it means now you can see everything, the duration, the returning viewers, the viewers as I slope down. Okay, so that is it also. If anyone wants to donate to me, if someone donated, so that is it. I also see it in my in my side, this side. So if someone wants to contact my brand, that is Munya Scripts Lifestyle, Nyenje Isaac 95@gmail.com. that is where you send me an email. So my location is this, and joined YouTube, that is March 03, 2019. Okay, that is when I started this channel. So that is it basically. So be free to do what, to contact me in case of anything, whether you are from UK, USA, Uganda, TZ, and so many other countries, South Africa. I call you upon people, because when I look at my geography, where the people that are basically watching my content are coming from, I have Uganda, United States, Kenya, South Africa, India, and many more. Okay, let me try to go to analytics. Let me go from that side and try to see the broader picture. Okay, so when I leave that side and I cross over to this other side, as you see here. So when I get to analytics, audience, okay, then from the audience I cross over down. So I click this top geographies, that is Uganda, United States, Kenya, South Africa, India. Then I click show more, then that pops up as you see. So then after that it loads and we try to look at it and see. Okay, so it is overspeeding. So Uganda, United States, Kenya, South Africa, India, United Kingdom, Nigeria, Indonesia, Rwanda, Uzbekistan, Ghana, France, Cote d'Ivoire, German, Ethiopia, Canada, Tanzania, Senegal, Jamaica, Philippines, Mozambique, Italy, Saudi Arabia, Iran. I'm having people from Iran, Togo, Cameroon, Zambia, Myanmar, United Arab Emirates. I have people from Congo, Vietnam, Russia, Netherlands, Sri Lanka, Haiti, Algeria, Namibia, Brazil, Australia, Gabon, Turkey, Burkina Faso, Malaysia, Spain, Mexico, Egypt, Trinidad and Tobago, Belgium, and Dominican Republic. So all those are people basically watching. Okay, so yeah, it is not yet, so far the audience is not yet too big, but at least it is somewhere than the other channels. So I urge you and I call you upon, if you have anything you would want to advertise with me to give you that paid promotion, please be part of it. This is a channel where we share about music, we share about content creation, we share about my behind scenes as I create the music videos, weddings that I happen to shoot. So be part, please, and endeavor to hit that subscribe button. Okay, hit that subscribe button and leave a comment in case of anything where you didn't understand, where you need to understand. So thank you for watching, and endeavor to see that you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. And one thing that I was forgetting, musicians, I have a link that I happen to share almost on every video that I happen to put up, that is with Songtrust. Okay, so join Songtrust today and start collecting your mechanical and performance royalties worldwide, my dear. Stop leaving out money as mechanical and performance royalties. You're missing out a lot of money. So join the platform today and start collecting that money. You only pay one-time fee, that is $90 when you happen to use my link. So thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and be part. Thank you.